Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy because I'm going to show you something absolutely amazing that I've recently purchased in Costco. So, are you ready? It's huge. I am so excited. Ta-da! How amazing is this? Let me flip the box because you could see it even better. How amazing is this? So I saw this last year in Costco and I was just like, yeah, you know, I'll pick it up, and before you know it, they were all completely sold out. And then I saw people like on eBay selling it for like double, triple the price. So I was very, very excited when I went to Costco just a couple of weeks ago and I saw this. And it was like Christmas morning because I was so happy, I was so excited, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up because I cannot miss it this year again. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. It is definitely amazing. I am so excited. There's so many cool pieces. You know, I decorate like crazy for Christmas. We have our Christmas village. I want to have pieces for a Halloween themed village, and I think this is the perfect first addition to my Halloween collection of decorations. All right, so let me flip the camera, show it to you a little bit closer, and then we'll unbox it. I'm so excited. Oh, and by the way, I was in Costco yesterday and they were no longer available, so they probably still have them on the website. I'm sure, I don't want to say I'm sure, but they'll probably restock them again. But definitely grab it as soon as you can because it's gorgeous. And it's only, I want to say it was either $120 or $129. So it's a very reasonable price for everything that's in here. All right, let me show you. Okay, so this is one side of it. You have so many great characters and houses. I think this house makes noise. We'll have a better look, but here they are. And let me show you the other side. Amazing is this. I just can't. So cool. 12 pieces, Disney Halloween set. I'm excited. Let's get into this box. Let me see how we're gonna open it. I hope I can open it nicely so that way I can save the box, because I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna store them and if I need this box back for storage or if I can wrap them and put them in a bin. One side has this. So we have Mickey and Minnie, Goofy, Tombstone, and we have some smaller Mickey characters. Maybe they're some cousins, I don't know. And then it looks like we have two of the trees right in here. And now this part has this goodness in here. Okay, I don't even know where to start, so we're just going. So this is like a gate. Oh, I thought it was broken, but it's meant to look like that. Duh. Because it's meant to look like it's old and unstable. Okay. This one lights up. I don't know how well you could see it, but they definitely have a little bit of light to them. Oh my god, this is so cute. Alright, so this is the next piece. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. This is so cool. This one also lights up. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. And the crow on the top. If you guys do have small kids, do be very careful because I think they have those button batteries just about everywhere, so be very, very careful. So we have Pluto. Oh my gosh, look at him, so cute. We have the light pole and it also lights up. This is it lit up. Now doesn't this make you feel like you're right in Disney World? Amazing. Okay, this is a big piece. These pieces are big. They are big. Okay, so this one probably has regular batteries. Okay, I'm gonna need to find AA batteries. This takes 3 AA batteries. So cool. Okay, got the batteries. I only have 4, so I'm definitely gonna need to buy more batteries, but I have a feeling maybe the big house is gonna take more than 3 batteries. But at least so we could see. And oh, okay, so the switch is in the back. I was like, oh, where's the switch? I don't see it. All right, ready? Oh my gosh, look at it. It's all lit up. Can you guys see it? Maybe from far away. Yeah, right here you could see. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Okay. Ginormous. Like, if you went to Michael's and you bought something similar, this alone probably would have been like $129. Look at them. Look at all the details. It is made beautifully. Beautiful. This one also has the switch in the back. Okay, so let's see. Maybe this takes only 3. Okay, so this one's also only 3, so I just have to transfer because, you know, I get so excited and I don't think while I'm in Costco that I should maybe buy myself batteries, especially when we're going into the spooky holiday season. No, that doesn't cross my mind. Ready? So it looks like it has 2 options here in the back, and I want to say that it's probably with music and without. Okay, so let's see. I was right. Okay, and the other one is just the light. I can't. I'm obsessed. This is the best $129 I spent. Oh my god, amazing, amazing. Oh, this is beautiful. I wish I can explain to you guys how well it's made. All right, so now we have the trees and a little bit of the characters. So they look very cute, very spooky. Michael's is probably gonna have something, some kind of trees, something like this. So I thought to get some extra spooky trees from Michael's to add to this set, because I feel like almost like same as with the Christmas Village, like when you have more, you know, accessories, more greenery, more trees, more this, more that, it just looks so much better. So I wish they included maybe like a few more, but that's okay. We're gonna find them in Michael's, and if anything, we're just gonna craft something up. But sorry, my battery died and I ran out of memory. So let's get back to the last 4 pieces. So they are very well packaged. So let's pull out Goof as a mummy. He's amazing. We love him. Goofy. We have Mickey and Minnie. So cute. Look at them. Adorable. I don't know who these guys are. I guess they're some kind of maybe cousins. I don't know. Somebody else's kids. But super cute. Have the tombstone with the spider web and a pumpkin and a spider. So cute. Love it. Hey guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was so fun for me to share it with you. I hope if you loved it, go and grab yours at Costco. See Costco.com. It's amazing. It's worth the $129. I keep looking because the box is over here and I'm just obsessed. This is just incredible. It's beautiful. and I just love it so much, and I'm gonna send you off with some spooky music. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon.